in that offer? Similarly, the teacher said to me, do you know the answer? The teacher asked me if, or you can use whether. Both are correct. If I knew the answer. And one more example of WH question now. In the sentences which are beginning with the question words, inverted commas are replaced by the question word itself. Like if we are encountering who, then we will use who. If it is when, then it would be when. If it is what, then it would be what. No if or whether will be placed instead of inverted commas here. So here's an example before you. He said to me, where do you live? He asked me where I lived. So you can notice I am not going to change your question word in that format. Next one is, mother said to me, what are you doing there? Mother asked me what I was doing there. And the rules to change the sentence we have already covered in our earlier videos. So if you are having any doubt, please have a look at those. And there's a rule number C. If a clause with interrogative pronoun like question word is followed by main clause that is used before the question, and this rule also applies to if and whether in yes or no answer type questions. Getting my point? But if a clause with interrogative pronoun is followed by main clause, then that is used before the question word. That is not going to replace in anymore. Okay? And this rule is applicable to both ones. Either it will be yes or no or your question word. So let's have a look at the example. She said to me, when she will come is not certain. She told me that when she would come was not certain. I am putting that before your question word here. Similarly, I said to him, whether she will pass is not certain. I told him that whether she would pass was not certain. Insertion of that is applicable to both the rules which we have covered in our earlier slide. Now practice this